Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Our group is going to present a real life case study analysis on the Starbucks Artificial Intelligence Deep Brew. How Starbucks is using Deep Brew in its inventory management, operations, customer satisfaction, customer personalization, and how it is using these for improving the overall customer experience, and also how it's increasing its revenue, and also the ethical issues arising from this. Coming to the introduction part, Starbucks started in 1971 and now it has around 38,000 outlets all over the world. In the beginning, it used traditional business methods, which caused problems in keeping customers happy and satisfied, and also it had many competitions from the other big coffee chains. So because of this, they decided to include the artificial intelligence in its business for improving the personalization, like the customer personalization, improving the preferences, individual preferences. They also have a main focus on the employees, to free up the employees so they can focus on the customers instead of the other things. And also this has changed and helped the company a lot. They gain up to 5% of revenue comparing with the last few decades. And the other things, like how the deep brew will work, will be delivered by my teammate.
Hello, let's start with the next slide. So it's Deep Brew, Starbucks AI engine. So Starbucks uses a AI engine which is called as Deep Brew. So previously they were serving only coffee. So now they are mostly involved in this AI, which helps them to grow their business. So Microsoft Azure AI is developing this particular Deep Brew for them. So this AI is being owned by Starbucks. So this helps them to actually customize the apps for the offers and predict demands and keep track of stock. So just keep them in the line of the demand, which is going to come the next day, so they can know how the customer behaviors. So on based on that, they can curate their offers, personalize the offers to the customers. So this particular AI uses the informations about the customer's past purchase, so which will help them to keep the customers visit the stores regularly, and the information about customers purchase locations and weather and time of the day when they purchase the products and how much they're spending on each their visit. So that also this particular deep AI uses in the data and make a customers satisfaction based on this. So we'll move to the next slide. So in the next slide, we will see how Starbucks uses this AI in practice. So the first thing is the customer engagement. So the particular this deep brew customize the deals in the mobile apps. So the AI tailors the um, customized deals based on the customer's purchase and on their past purchase histories. And the next thing is the operations. So this on this point we are discuss on that the predict the demands and optimize the supplies. So the app can predict the demands based on the past purchase things and based on the demands and help the stores to optimize the supplies. And this is also helping in the stop scheduling. So predict the busy times and changes the shifts. So this will help the stores to reduce the uh, amount spent on the manpower. So they can changes the staff scheduling based on this. And the last point is the loyalty. So usually the customers who are coming to buy in the Starbucks usually get the loyalty points. So this makes a stronger reward program very stronger because based on the amount of purchase the customer needs, he'll get more the loyalty. So this is tracked by the group I. So our next slides will be presented by one of our group members.
The impact of Brew and at Starbucks, how the successful deployment implementation has increased the operations sales in Starbucks. So the deployment of Brew platform has had a profound impact on Starbucks interactions with the customers. And through Brew AI system, we can serve personalized recommendations to active customers, over 40 million active customers, and we can enhance their experiences and also exceed the customer expectations. The platform ability to understand individual store context also allowed to create unique profiles for each store, and also we can deliver a personalized experience to each customer. And also additionally the Debrew has facilitated seamless interactions through digital drive-throughs, mobile applications, and the web interfaces, driving the transformation of Starbucks digital ecosystem. Can we go to the next slide, please? And with this Brew, we can analyze the forecasting mechanism and data-driven decisions that will be mostly impacted. And with Brew at the forefront, Starbucks has embraced new ways of addressing each customer needs and preferences. And also by leveraging the machine learning mechanism, they have reduced the friction and also shortened the queue lengths in the store, which will improve overall efficiency. And the platform constant analysis in reinforcement learning and predictive algorithms enables to make shift and data driven decisions that will benefit both customers as well as the partners. And overall, the Deep Brew has been instrumental in Starbucks' digital transformation, and also it analyzes large amount of data to tailor marketing strategies according to the product recommendations and enhance the customers' rewards program as well. And it helps to manage the inventory, automate the task, and making every visit to the store a unique and personalized experience to the customers. So the next part will be covered by my teammate.
So the part we have is Starbucks digital flywheel. It's like a flywheel thematic diagram of showing how the four components are working together to create a seamless customer experience in Starbucks outlets. These are rewards, personalization, ordering, and payment. The rewards work in a loyalty program. Like whenever a customer buys or orders a drink, he will get a reward or points that will get together in his app, and then in the next purchase he will get some discount or something like that that will make him buy more. So that will also add to the unique experience. And the next we have is personalization, like the personalized automated messages and the offers are being sent to the customers because that is tailored about their data that is previously stored, like what drinks they have previously ordered or may get made, so they can they are offered suggesting on these apps. And the next one is ordering. The customers can order beforehand, order online, or order on the go, so that they do not have to wait in queues uh, in the in the shop. So that's why that also makes it a quite unique and good experience. And the next one is the payment, how fast and tap and cardless the payments are getting. The payments are really contactless. They are paid by Apple Pay, or even the Starbucks cards are used to pay, so that makes a seamless experience. And these four components work in a loop to make the customer service very unique. The next we have is balancing innovation with responsibility, like how we are using the AI and innovation in a responsible manner. The first one is data privacy, like we are getting the data from the customers in the app, so we must follow the GDPR rules and the managing consent, like the customer should know how their data is being managed and how it is used. The next is algorithmic bias. Like there are recommendations, so the every person is getting different recommendations. So there is a risk that the AI can get biased in these recommendations based on favorable circumstances to one person and not and unfavorable to the other. The next one is job impact. Like today the all the system are getting automated and digital, so that has an impact on manual jobs, like people are losing their jobs. But Starbucks make sure that the people are regularly kept and also trained, so that they can use so that they are using the AI, and the manual jobs are also kept in the line. And the next is the ethical AI use. Like Starbucks encourages the use of AI, but in an ethical manner. Like all the people and the staff workers are trained how they can use AI in a very responsible manner. So the next part is presented by my team member.
So our next part is our group approach and insights. So here the group collaborations tools which we have used are Google Docs, Teams, PowerPoint for collaborations. Google Docs we have used to write the content. Microsoft Teams is used to communicate and to coordinate together. PowerPoint is used to design and finalize the slides. Assign tasks based on each member's stance, like the task allocations has been done in this case study. Someone who is good at the research handle the research part, who is good at design have made the slides. And next is structure the flow from the problems to AI tools, impact and ethics. So the problem which we has identified in this case study is Starbucks needs more customer engagement and efficiency. Also, the AI tool which we have introduced here is BREW, whose impacts and the ethics has been discussed by our group members, who have shown the impacts and discussed the ethics also. So from here, we understood that how AI connects business strategies and customer needs, and also learned how AI connects business with customer values. And from here, we can judge that Starbucks uses AI not just for technology, but to improve the loyalty, sales, and customer experience. So this all is our group approach. Next, it comes to the references which we have used particular for this case study. So these are the references which we have used in this. So next it comes to the reflection part, what we have learned from Starbucks AI journey.
Yeah, we are coming to the end, and we are learned a lot by using these case study analysis of how the Starbucks is using Deep Brew in their overall business operations. One of the thing I have found is that by using these artificial intelligence in efficient manner can improve the overall interaction of business with the customers.
So the next thing is the importance of sort of responsible and ethical data use, which we think that there are a lot of things which we have to take care because in data privacy, because Starbucks uses a lot of personal data and the purchase history, so that can be leaked or it can be misused. So there should be an ethical way of approach to use this data. So that will be that have been discussed in this presentation. So the next point is team
Yeah,
challenges.
so coming to our challenges that we have faced in our group case study is one of the main challenges limited public information on Debrew that is available to us. So we have to do a lot of research to get the data on the Debrew AI tool, and working on in a group has helped because everyone can contribute and come up with the research. And also, there is one more challenge that we have identified, that is the technical perspectives involved in this Hebrew AI. So these are the main challenges we have faced. Then the overcoming methods will be discussed by
Yeah, as my team member already told you how the what are the problems or challenges that we face during the work, but we also solve these problems through research and teamwork. Basically, teamwork was how it shaped our representation, because as you know there was a very limited public information on deep brew, so we had to go into a deeper research level. So every person of the team was dedicated to a specific task that he has to research about that specific topic, every person has to bring their own ideas to the table, and if one was not sufficient, so the other person contributed, and in this way we contributed a teamwork to make our presentation very organized, and we created a presentation that was well solid and well supported.
So next, So next we came with the point AI enables customer focused innovation. AI helps the businesses to create the new ideas, services, solutions which is based on the customer needs by analyzing their behavior and preferences. This leads to better, more personalized experience. So this is all about the case study which we have discussed and our team members came to the end. So this is all about. Thank you.